Alright, today we're going to be going over how to do a mail merge. The first thing what you want to do with a mail merge is have your data set up in an Excel spreadsheet. As you can see, I have a column for the email address that I'm sending one of my emails to, the recipient with each of those email addresses, and then this is a variable field that goes along with each individual, and I'll show you what I mean by that in a moment. So again, you want to have your Excel spreadsheet set up with all of your data with your emails, and that's going to be really important to do your mail merge. You also want to make sure that you have Outlook open. As you can see, I currently have it open at the bottom of my screen. The mail merge actually requires Outlook to be open for this process to work because the mail merge will send through your Outlook. So now you want to open up your Word document. As you can see, I've already started a Word document with the email that I'm going to send to a few users. What you want to do is you want to go to the Mail tab, Mailings. You want to click Start Mail Merge, and you want to select Email Messages. Again, I've already typed out my email that I want to send, and now I need to fill out the variable fields that are going to change based on the user that my email is going to be sent to. So to select your data, you go to Select Recipients, Use Existing List, and then you want to find the Excel spreadsheet with the data. Mine is located in my BU files. And then I know that my data is on the second spreadsheet tab. You won't get any kind of notification, but as you can see, my data has been imported into the mail merge and is ready for me to use. The next thing I need to do is go to Insert Merge Field. As you can see, I have my cursor here after the word hello. And if I click here and go to Recipient 2, it's put in the name of the person that I'm going to be sending my email to. And I'll change it off of Preview Results, which is what I had it currently set at. But if you hit Preview Results, it'll show you what it will look like when the email is ready to send. But for now, you can just see the field that I have it set to. Down here is my other variable item, depending on who the email is going to, which is going to be the interview date. So I'll select Insert Merge Field and Date for Interview where my cursor is down there. And then if I hit Preview Results, you can see it's for Sally Shells, and she has an interview date of March 6th. And then if I click this left and right arrow, you can see that these items change, and that's because it's reading my Excel spreadsheet, knowing where the name and then the date with that specific person is going to be. So it changes every time I'm viewing a different result. I'm satisfied with the results. All of them look just right. So now it's time to go ahead and actually send them email out. So I'm going to go to Finish and Merge, Send Email Messages, and the to line you'll notice I have email address, which is what I want it to be, and that's because I have the Excel spreadsheet set up where the first column was the email address of the recipient. As I said earlier, as long as you make that first column the email address, it will automatically fill that out here, which is what you want. It makes things so much easier later on. And then for the subject line, I'm just going to call this interview date, and then that will be the subject of your email. For mail format, HTML is just fine. And then for send records, all is just fine because I want all of them to send. And you can set it so it's just one record, or you can set it from multiple records. And then if I hit OK, it'll send all those emails out. Obviously, this is just an example, and so these people don't actually exist. But when you hit OK, your emails will send out, and that's how you do a mail merge.